How to block a website on Chrome in mobile. So hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can block a website on Chrome. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, simply head over to your Chrome browser. Inside your Chrome browser, simply click on the top right corner three dot button, and once you're inside your settings, simply head over to the below button over here. As you can see, the option called site settings. Once you click on it, you'll get the option called JavaScript in the content section. As you can see, JavaScript option is here. I will click on it and you can see the option called add site exception, and inside here you need to add the site which you do not want to your browser to open it, that is which your browser will block it. So let's say I want to add some website like this. Simply make sure you enter the website with www.somethingyourwebsite.com, and once you do that, simply click on add. Once you add, you just need to simply close the Google Chrome browser and open it once again, and just like that you will be able to block a website on a Chrome. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.